Hello, what you're seeing here is a screen copy of my S6 Android phone. I made a new app to digitally record the COVID-19 vaccination record. And without further ado, let's see what we can do. I already installed the app on my phone. So it's called VacProof. Click my icon. When you first start up, for the very first time, you will have to do a registry, which allows you to set a password and a username. So let's go ahead and type my name in there. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a user ID of Q&Q. You wouldn't want to do that in the real world, but for now it'll be good. After you do enter the first time, you'll become to this screen. You won't go to the other one. And if you remember, we use Q and Q. I'm going to go ahead and log into the app. This allows you to enter your vaccination data. My actual date was April 29th. So we'll put that date in there. My second shot was not required because I used the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Oops, let's click it twice. My vaccine number is on my card, but I would normally type that in there. The healthcare provider clinical site would have been Oasis Pharmacy, located here in Sugar Land, Texas. Pharmacy. And I do have their phone number. I wrote it on the card just so I would have it, but so you'd want to put that in there too. For the sake of this video, we'll just type in some numbers. So next we're going to click to save that data and continue. And now it's going to look for, take a picture of the front side of the card. And we will do that. Try to get the whole card in the window. Best you can. We'll accept that picture. However, if I didn't like it, I could just hit the take front side picture again until I hit the accept the button. The accept front image. So now it's looking for the back side image. I'll take a picture of the back side. Mine's blank, but we still need to do it in case anybody did want to see the back of your card. And it looks good. We'll accept that picture. As you can see, it says here at the top that I was vaccinated on 4/29 by Oasis Pharmacy. Using vaccine manufactured by Johnson & Johnson and is fully vaccinated. I can't show you here on this video, but if I took another phone and scanned my barcode, it would tell me the information that you see on the top. Now, if somebody was to question, I can't really read your card, you just click to show your vaccination record, and you get a much bigger view. That's the front. That's the back will come up here in a second. That's the back. Again, we'll go back to the front. But anyway, now I have a digital copy. I don't have to worry about losing my original card. I got the data saved in a database on my phone. The pictures most likely will show up in my gallery for this phone. But I could delete those if I was concerned. So, I'm looking to see if I can get like CDC endorsement or maybe some federal funding to give this app out for free for individual use. The future, if this works out, I would have a family one where a parent could have however many kids they want and have each vaccination record separately and showed separately. All right, thanks and have a good day.